200 grams of baby corn, boil it with salt and strain it. Now prepare a cornflour mixture of cornflour, salt, pepper, red chili powder, pinch of baking soda and baking powder. Coat the baby corn in this cornflour mixture. Fry them until golden brown as you see. While the baby corn is frying, let's prepare the sauce mixture. The sauce will have tomato sauce, white vinegar, dark soya sauce, green chili sauce, red chili sauce, and chili flakes. Prepare this sauce mixture and it should have this consistency. Now go into chopping the veggies, which is finely chopping onions, spring onions, garlic, chili and ginger. Heat a wok and fry these veggies in high flame for a minute. Add your baby corn to it and the sauce mixture that we prepared. Fry this for 2 to 3 minutes in high flame until you reach to this color. It looks yum. To finish off, we will add spring onions on the top and the crispy chili baby corn is completely ready to serve it hot. Serve this as a party snacker or eat it just like that. Juicy, tasty, crunchy, crispy chili baby corn. Enjoy. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.